The all-new Falken Azenis RS820 has arrived, and it's gunning for the ultra high-performance crown. But standing in its way, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, a benchmark since 2017. Can the RS820 dethrone the king? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pilot Sport 4S set as the reference point at 100%. These results come from the 2025 Sport Auto UUHP tire test. In dry conditions, the Michelin holds firm. It stops in 33.3 meters, just 0.5 meters shorter than the RS820, a 1% edge. In dry handling, it maintains an average cornering speed of 129.3 km per hour compared to Falken's 126.4 km per hour. That's a 2% lead in agility. The 4S may be aging, but it still commands the respect on dry track. In the wet, the 4S continues to lead. It brakes in just 30.7 meters, while the Falken takes 32.8 meters, a 6% longer stop. Handling is closer, with only a 1% edge to Michelin at 79.9 km per hour. Aquaplaning resistance is nearly matched too, with the 4S again just ahead by 1%. Here, Michelin's consistency shines. When it comes to noise, Michelin runs quieter at 73.4 dB versus Falken's 74.8 dB. That's a 2% drop in sound levels, translating to a slightly more refined experience inside and out. The RS820, however, fights back with lower rolling resistance, a 8.9 coefficient value compared to Michelin's 9.1. That's a 2% efficiency gain. But the biggest headline? Price. The Falken comes in significantly cheaper, offering a 28% saving over Michelin. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S still rules with top-tier dry and wet grip, sharp handling, and quiet refinement. On the other hand, the Falken Azenis RS820 is no second-rate option. It's nearly as capable, slightly more efficient, and significantly more affordable.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.